have a photographer who takes photos. Okay, and then you go to computer, log in your detail, your first name, last name. They got 4, so 24 hours a day, and then you can have a look at the photos. They do some special offer, and then special offer. Okay, so what you do is just search. Oh, okay, search. I choose one of my people dress up. We are 14 days and then 4 nights dress up. It's like this one. Okay, and then this one. If you choose, okay, large, standard, or digital, just say 1. Okay, that will be 30, and then you just add. Okay, we've gone down to 0 first because we wait for last day, and then do it. Okay, you go back. Okay, they got all different items. Look, indoor, depends where you've been taking the photos, so easy for you to search. I can't remember. Lobby, stay, lobby curve, King Queen Victoria. Yeah, we've been here, yeah, as well. So have a look. All those pictures, no, none. Yeah. There's ours. Okay, just like that one. Yeah, and then you can zoom. They're going to bigger, and then if you're happy, just add quantity, and then whatever, 1, 2, or 0 or 1 or whatever. Okay, and confirm. They will tell you how many copy, how many dollars, which is $30 each. Okay.